We have updates for you as well today, every day. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. And the first thing is 10 new codes for the GRVT airdrop. It is a very lucrative airdrop when it's going to come out. And we are at the very beginning, or at least the first step. Now there are quite a few participants, but you can only access via invite. And I will leave you 10 links down below. One link for 10 invites, sorry. And first come, first serve. So if you haven't received it or if you missed out on this, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Next up, we go to the airdrop update of the BBN token over here. The Babylon chain has released their incentivized Bitcoin staking testnet for Cap2. There are, as we see here, Galaxy quests, which are important to go and be part of. You need to link your OKX Web3 wallet to Galaxy. If you do not have it, make sure to go and do as well a OKX Web3 wallet, which is very important. And the testnet is available at the btcstacking.testnet.babylon chain, which of course you will find down below. And we can get more information. You can go and read a little bit more about Babylon if you haven't heard it, but it is quite a well-known project with over 450,000 followers, which it's unlocking 21 million Bitcoins to secure the decentralization of economy. So within the Bitcoin ecosystem, but definitely something to go and participate in, as it is a free-to-earn testnet, which is very important. I will go and fill up everything later after this video. Following up, we got an update over on Ninja Blades. Now, we did see Ninja Blades when it was on a testnet, which we did receive it, such as Evo as well, which was another testnet project. And now the airdrop season 1 is coming. We would like to thank all the users for their activity. The rewards are already on their way. On May 31st, we took a snapshot to eligible users. This category includes those who were active on the testnet. So as we see here, if you did receive the test, or if you did participate with me in the testnet, which the website is this one over here, you will have the possibility to receive the airdrop. An airdrop checker will be available soon, and you'll be able to check your rewards for this season 1. This is the website. If you do remember how it works, we did utilize it. We did do a lot of referrals. So I know a lot of you are eligible for it. So make sure to go and check it out over on their website. But the checker will be live very soon for the season 1. And I will take you the update over on that. Do not click any links whatsoever down here. So very important. But the testnet participant, if you did listen to me, if you did follow me back in the days, probably this was 2 months ago, 3 months ago, if you were following me, then you are definitely eligible for this airdrop. Following up, we got a confirmation of the ZkSync AIRDROP, which is gonna come very soon. And the token generation event apparently seems to be in 12 days. And why do I say this? Well, as we see here, the KuCoin kind of like leaked and confirmed the listing of the ZkSync on the pre-market, but didn't clear up their API with all the data, which says that the ZkSync airdrop trading starts in 12 days. So the airdrop checker we could potentially be next week. But as we see over here, this is the screenshot taken from the person, which you can go and check the APY over on Google Chrome if you access the network information. We can see here that the JME, the trade end at 17:18. The pre-market ends on this day, on Tuesday, June 18, 2024, or in 12 days. So it looks like that within the APY, we saw that in 2 weeks, ZK airdrop, ZkSync airdrop with the ticker ZK, it is gonna come to us. And it looks very good. It looks like one of the biggest airdrop. And by the way, talking about airdrop, something that you can go and trade over on ByBit. We did receive just now, I will leave the link for my ByBit partnership down below if you wish to support me. Thank you very much. We did receive the Taiko airdrop on yesterday's video. You can already sell it over on ByBit for the best rate at $2.80. So definitely go and profit. Make sure to subscribe. And if you want to sell your airdrop, simply send it from your MetaMask to your Taiko wallet and you are good to go. You sell the airdrop, you make profit, and you are in the money. As it stands right now, I personally have $150 in Taiko because I received 50 token. Let me know your location down in the comments below. But ByBit will be also the home for the potential ZK airdrop as well as KuCoin. Yes, but I do prefer ByBit, so I will leave the link down below. You're gonna have the best rates over on ByBit. Following up, we got an important update on the Wormhole situation. Now, Wormhole being one of the biggest or the biggest flop, depending on how you see it, let me know your thoughts in the comment, over on the Solana ecosystem, has the possibility now to be staked for the governance. So the price kind of potentially could rally up a little bit. And we see here that the stake for the governance is now live of the W token holders. This is your opportunity to participate in the governance and impact the future direction of the Wormhole DAO and platform. Get started at the Tally XYZ governance protocol, which I will leave you linked down below. To participate in the stake for the governance process, you must transfer W token to an EVM chain. This can be done in the governance portal already. This one that we're gonna go and see can be done already through here. I do not have the Wormhole, by the way, but you can stake for governance or here, connect the wallet and do everything that you can. The security guardian security limit, we got the native token transfer and the multi-government, and also a little bit of updates in terms of the token itself. So if you are still a holder of the Wormhole token, this could be the moment that you'll be waiting for the price to go back up a little bit after the drastic downfall that it had when it launched. Everybody sold, everybody kept on selling and selling and selling. So make sure to go and check it as well down below. Next up, I want to take you an update over on a influencer, for so to say, that I do follow a lot on Twitter, and he is sharing one of a public testnet launch campaign for $0 for a project that has a total funding amount of $7 million. And it is very, very easy to go and be part. The first step is to tweet this phrase, which I will leave a link down below over on your Twitter, as we see over here. And then you're gonna go out and fill this form. I will leave you the official tweet, this tweet here, so you can go and follow step by step down in the description below. But go and tweet out. Make sure to fill in the form, and then it is done, but it is not up to you. If you are selected, you will receive a DM over on Twitter. After then, you will need some Seafolia Ethereum, which you can get from, Alchemy or any other places out there. But very, very simple. Next, you can follow the guide of the team over on GitHub or use the one over on the MZTA cut, which, you understand a little bit more about the project. And definitely worth giving this lad a like, as I do follow him and I do follow also his advice for the airdrop. Next up, we got the Caldera Quest 5 is now live over on Galax. And if you see over here, if you need to stop the video, make sure to stop it, because we got the quiz or the answers to the quizzes, all 5 of them. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which, as we see over here, we have the visit the form announcement for, follow, join, quiz form, which you can start right here. And for the quiz, once you log in, I am not logged in now, that's why I'm not allowed to do it. We got OP Stack to bring mass adoption to SocialFi, all of the above, Celestia, all of the above, and you are good to go for the quiz. So you do not have to waste any time on this quiz. If you do not want to go and read everything, simply visit the website, do not look at it, and then simply compile and fill in this question. Very, very important. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. A little bit of a shorter video today, but I just wanted to take you the main updates of the day. It's been a bit of a quiet situation within the crypto space, but with the ZK airdrop, it's gonna come really, really fast, and it's gonna come really, really soon. With that said, thank you for watching, guys, and I see you all tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.